Hi everyone, got some good news to tell you. Guess what just arrived just now at 11 o'clock in the morning on the 1st of March 2024, Friday the 1st of March 2024. My brand new washing machine had just arrived. It's right in the kitchen now. Stupidly, no, not stupidly, thanks to the fast team people who ordered it for me, but it would have been better if they ordered someone to fit it in for me. But no, they got Argos to just drop it off without fitting it in. Ridiculous, but it can't be that difficult to fit a washing machine, can it? I can't be that fit, can I? I can't be that stupid, can I? It ain't like rocket science to put a washing machine together. I'm going to do it anyway. But the weather today is typical. I call it April showers weather. It is 1st of March 2024. What does that mean? First day of spring, meteorology speaking. So it's finally spring at last. And what does that mean? End of this month, I'll be in paradise. So just in 25 days to go now, I'll be in my happy place. I cannot wait to be back there. I literally cannot wait. Of course. But yeah, the weather today is sunshine and rain showers. We just had a hailstone just now, we did. But yeah, it's so good to have a washing machine. It really is good. Right, well, this is my new washing machine. So they just dump it in like this. Of course, at the front there. And you've got the back there. And then it's going to fit, hopefully it will fit underneath the board thing properly. But yeah, this is what the weather is like today for us on the 1st of March. Sunshine and rain showers, but nice and warm in the sun. It is. But yeah, it's finally first day of spring, meteorology speaking. And at what time is now? 77 degrees air temperature outside. Inside temperature 18. So this is what the weather's like. So right guys, this is what the weather's like. Blue sky, sunshine. What more else can you ask for the 1st of March? Technically meteorology, first day of spring, so that's what it's like. And it's exactly 25 days to go down to my holiday. So yeah, let's try and fit this washing machine somehow. Let's try and fit it somehow. You know. Shouldn't be that difficult. Before we start, guys, with this new washing machine, just need to reply to my friend Amanda. She just messaged me. Right. This can't be that difficult. You know. 25 years old, so know how to put a bloody washing machine on. Not on, how to fix it. Put it together, not fix it. Oh man. Trying to get better angle for you lot to see. So you can see me better. See if you can see me right clearly. Right, hope you can hear me, so let's try and get this sorted. You know? Can't be that difficult. 25 years old, so know how to fucking put the washing machine together. So good to have a new washing machine. I can wash my clothes properly. I've been able to wash my clothes for over 2 weeks. Can you believe that? It's ridiculous. Ridiculous, bruv. Really is. It's ridiculous. Haven't been able to wash my clothes for over 2 weeks. You know, so I have to use my friend's washing machine that is next door. So thanks to her. Ah. They're not at work until next weekend, guys. Especially this weekend off. Of course. I should have ordered someone to come and fit this thing for me, but this is what my carers are like here. Ah, but instruction. Okay. Squeeze there. Ah, go on top. Ah, that's go on top. Look, see? Go on top. Okay. Oh, good. They've got instruction there. That helped. This is where my dyslexia is the issue. Because I can't read properly and process things. It's good that they've got pictures here. One, open, 2, 3. That's Amanda mentioned. Yeah, Amanda, I'm just doing a YouTube video right now and you will see in a bit. You on it. It have instruction on it, so I'm just trying to look at the instruction. Got 1, 2, 3. So that's what the instruction is saying right now. So just doing a YouTube video so people know how to fit what I'm saying. This might be the longest video yet. That's Amanda. I'm talking to my friend from our white, everyone. Right. Put some music on in the background. No, might get copyright. Anyone want to make snow out of polystyrene? Oh, snazzy. Snazzy. Wow, that is snazzy. But it should be alright, man. I'm going to try to fit it in myself. Looks snazzy, nice and black how I want it. Can't be that difficult, can it? Sorry guys, I'm making myself look like a mug here. Trying to not figure out. How do you fix or put a brand new washing machine together? How stupid can you be, Stuart? 25 years old and you don't know how to fucking do a washing machine. Don't judge me, guys. We all have to learn someday. Ooh, that's nice and smooth. Here's a plug of tap. That's it. Oh, what? Alright, minute, I have to lift it and take the stuff off. That's right. Polystyrene! I used to love polystyrene when I was a little kid. I should like scrape it together and make it pretend it was snow. Yes, that was weird like that. My childhood was a bit weird. How smooth it is. That's no need. I love when you get new stuff. Is this gonna fit? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. That's the problem. Ooh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. It ain't gonna fit underneath. Oh fuck. Shit. It ain't gonna fit. Oh shit. What about this side? Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Maybe I should have got the fasting to measure this first. Oh well. Too late now. Just a message to Amanda. Amanda, seems like we got a problem with the washing machine. This might be a little bit too tall for my kitchen. As you can see, it looks like it's slightly a bit too small, too big. Don't know what to do now. Oh yeah, guys, if you want to know what my brother Jonathan is like towards me, he can be nice to me, sometimes he can be really horrible and disgraceful and horrible. I mean, he can be. My brother Jonathan Shopland from Glasgow, East Kilbride, he can be quite mean to me. He hasn't talked to me for over 2 weeks nearly. And I messaged him yesterday to see how he's doing. He looked up my messages and can't be bothered to message me back. I hate it when people do that. He meant to be my brother. He should be talking to me, but he hasn't. He's been selfish. Ridiculous way he is. Hang on, I know why it ain't. Alright, right, silly me. For the polystyrene still on the fucking thing. Duh. See, I already make myself look like an idiot. This is why I wanted to film it. Silly me, I think it will fit if you haven't took the polystyrene off down below. So I just made myself look like an idiot on YouTube. Hi. I know, Amanda, I just made myself look like a twat on YouTube. You know what my friend Amanda said? Silly me, eh?
No, it's not. It fits under there. That's how mine is. It needs to be even as well. That lino must come up.
Yeah, this one I need to take off now. They look quite snazzy.
Oh well, we'll give everyone something to laugh about if nothing else. Oh well, we'll give everyone something to laugh about if nothing else. But you do need to make sure that it's even, otherwise the drum won't be even. When you wash clothes, it'll make a noise and it could ruin it. So you need to make sure the floor is even. So you do probably need to get that lino up, or there's feet on it and you can make them even by screwing them a bit. Sometimes they do that anyway.
Yeah, Amanda, that's what I'm going to do. Look, even the floor does. How are you enjoying this, guys? Come on, get the polished diamond. Bloody polished diamond thing is everywhere. And the ice skates everywhere. Oh yes, Amanda, it does have flooring thing on here. Oh. Hey. Whew. Now, let the fun begin. Now what? That's Amanda. Sorry guys, this has been a long video so far. Amanda, good news, it does have those floor and feet level thing. Just trying to figure out what to do now. Up here. Oh, I know what to do. This go in where? Where does this go? In here. What's this? Very complicated. This is on top. That's done properly, yeah. Yeah, that's done properly. This, rid of this, go. So know this by now, for fuck's sake. 25 years old, I don't know how to fucking do washing machine. No, that doesn't fit. So that must go through there into there. I don't know, it's so complicated. So complicated. I'm gonna pause the YouTube video and be back in a minute. I'll have a think. No, it's alright, I'll leave it on. That's alright. Alright, so please stop where? Here? Or here? I don't know, first. I don't know. Okay. I see. That's what's supposed to that. Huh? So complicated. Fuck's sake. Transfer. Stop being an idiot. You should know how to do this by now. This. I'm gonna squeeze up here. One. One. Two. Three. Four. 4 screws. And what the 4 screws are for. Sorry guys. Bear with. So guys, hope you understand. You know what, I might wait until my carers get here. They can read for me as I'm dyslexic. I think this is a manual book. Okay. Yeah, it's a manual book, I think. Move on. That's it, it's 5. Yeah, okay. 9, 10. Can it be that difficult? Do a wait for my carers. They're 4 here, and I think those 4 screws are going to back here. It's only need to go back here to protect the thing, doesn't it? So this is what it looked like, guys, behind my washing machine. Right, this is what it looked like. That's what it looked like. So this here, this meant to go behind the back. That's what it's saying there. Got other instructions here, and washer that go under here into there. It's a nice washing machine. That's the make of it. Quite decent. All the different settings. What it like inside. That's all good. Right, by the petrol laters when I fitted it.